Okay, so that's the ice cream truck in my school. So, yeah, I think I'll capture it more once it starts moving. There it is. Try to avoid getting any people because I will get. There it goes. I knew I would get it. And don't worry guys, I didn't sneak out of the bus to get him. This was before my bus came. So, I think it's alright. Hopefully I can buy from it someday. If my mom wants to. How were they able to put that in? Wait a minute. I remember an ice cream truck with a black roof back when I still did Taekwondo. Wait, is this the same truck that I saw back in Taekwondo? Or could this be a different truck? Because I remember the ice cream truck in Taekwondo had a black roof. Or I mean a black top. Who knows? This one also has it. Could it be repainted? Or is this an entirely different truck but with a black roof? I don't know.